The Salvation Army. And this is super cute. I like that. That is adorable. Look at that belt. It's cute. I like that sleeves on it. How adorable is this? That is super, super adorable. Vintage, like I like. Remember this dress from the try-on dressing room? So that's it. I did pick this dress up that have the little shawl. I did pick this one up. I liked it. I did pick this other black and white one up with this paisley prints. And you will see it in a video here or here. I did pick this red dress up with the pockets. With that cute belt. I did get this one. You know I had to have this one. I did pick this up with the little bitty sleeves on them. So I like that too. I did pick this one up. I was sold. I love black and gray together. So I picked this one up. And y'all know I had to have this because of the sleeve, right? I did pick this one up, and I'll show you that in the video when I try on, in a try on video in the dressing room. I also did pick this one up as well. This little cute one with the black and white on it. Emotional. So you know I had to have this size 4, right? I had to get it. I'm going to let you hear the rest of the video, and I just want you guys to see how emotional I got. It's a size 4. Thank you, Jesus. This is a size 4. Can you believe that's it's not 4? But your girl in a 4. It's a 4. Oh. Do you know I never been in a 4 in my life, even when I was a kid? I never been in a 4. It's just so emotional for me, right? I'm sorry, it just hit me. You know, I did a lot of work to get here. And I'm in a 4. It's just been big all my life. Okay, but it's a cute dress. I just had an emotional moment there. It is freaking adorable. I literally have to show you guys. I'm about to show you guys the tag. 1 minute. Let me show you guys the tag. It's happy. Just that red and black dress I was telling you about. Look at that. That red and black dress, a size 4. 4. Can you believe that's a 4? It's a 4. And I picked this one up as well. This is the one with the cute black one that had the lace arms. And I paired it with this dress here. So these are two I'm gonna pair together. So you will see it in the video. So very cute, very cute. So I had to have that one. And I did pick this one up as well. The cute turquoise one with the sheer sleeves. You know your girl had to have this one. This is a size small. The black one that zip up, it's zip up the back, but I'm gonna put the zipper in the front because your girl don't have nobody help her get dressed in the morning. So I'm gonna put it in the front, okay? And I just thought that's so cute. I like the way this is kind of like this pretty hard knit material. Very cute. Dress. And you will see me try that on in the dressing room as well. You can never get enough black and white, black on black, white on white. That's something a girl should have all the time in her collection, and I have a lot of it. Okay, black and white, everything. Like, I love black and white, and I'm getting into colors now. And I did pick this one up. This the one with the bell sleeves. I got it inside out, but you will see it. It got the bell sleeves, this pretty blue color one with the bell sleeves on it. It's tangled up, y'all. So, but y'all know what I'm talking about once I show you the try-on video. This pretty blue dress, so with the big bell sleeves. So this one, the little summertime dress that I said was cute for a luau, because you never know, I might wear it to a luau or some type of party. It have the sheer sleeves, so I liked it, so I got it. And that completes my haul. Thank you so much for watching. If you like my videos, if you like what I do, if you like my shopping, please rate, comment, subscribe. Tell me which one is your favorite in the description box below, and comment and tell me which one you like the best. Okay? Mwah, mwah, mwah. Love you guys. Bye-bye. I'm at the Salvation Army. Okay, this is my car full of my stuff. I think I got my receipt. My receipt says $20 for everything here. So I'll show you my receipt.